They almost like melt in your mouth. Beautiful, they're amazing. Try them. Come try these. They're so good. Okay guys, I am right outside of Now Coffee-Bistro. This is on a street that is, I think, a future hotspot. It is literally about half a block from Crazy House down this way. And as you can see, they are upgrading the road. So they've stripped it and they are repaving it. It's all sorts of great little places and big places up and down here. Great vegetarian place, a Thai restaurant. This place has some great food and drink. Now Coffee-Bistro, particularly if you like Western style food, this place does it right. Let's take a peek inside. Okay, so rapidly becoming one of my favorite places to grab something to eat and drink. This is peach apricot lemongrass tea, and it is to die for. I have a problem. I like to drink it way too fast. And this I'm trying today for the first time. It's a special recipe. It's meat and shrimp spring rolls, and they are handmade with fresh ingredients, so not frozen. And oh my gosh, it smells so good, and I can't wait to try it. Okay, guys, I just had one of these spring rolls, and they may be the best I've ever had. Oh my God, they're so good. They almost like melt in your mouth. They're beautiful, they're amazing. Try them. Come try these. They're so good. Okay guys, I'm chilling outside of Now Coffee-Bistro. I have just had some amazing spring rolls made with clearly fresh ingredients. I mean, these are incredible spring rolls, I am not gonna lie. Everything I've had here is good. There is a breakfast plate, I can't even remember the name, breakfast skillet. It's delicious, man. The food here is really good, so are the drinks. The staff is very well trained, highly skilled. Most all of them speak English. Every one of them actually that I have met speak English, and they will check on you. It's like it's very good service here, and that does set them apart from a lot of places here. If you're looking for a place where you can come and hang out, chill, be served, great people around, a chill atmosphere, good music, good vibe. This is rapidly becoming one of my favorite places to come and just hang out for a few hours. I've done footage for here early on, and the footage didn't do the place justice. I came back. The manager of the place actually sat with me for quite a while and gave me a rundown of their philosophy here, which is all based on service and excellence. She is a baker, a very good baker. Great baked goods here, the specialty cakes and things like that. The menu is very well thought out, very well planned, very well executed. Tastes the same every time. I've had the same thing 3 times here. I've been here about 5 or 6 times now, so I'm finally starting to branch out and try some new things. She said I needed to try the spring rolls, and she was right. I did need to try the spring rolls, so they are really, really good. I just can't go on enough about that. So come on out here, check this place out. And you know, maybe plan to spend the afternoon. Go down here to Crazy House. That's a great place to spend 3 or 4 hours, guys. tons of photo opportunities. It's like it was designed by Dr. Seuss with some input from MC Escher. Very unique place there. And then swing over here, grab you a drink. They do have a full bar, so you can get cocktails. You can also get all sorts of coffee drinks, both traditional Vietnamese and your Italian coffees, lattes, cappuccinos, espressos, things like that. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this footage and get it out to you as soon as possible. So, all right, thanks a lot. Guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. My content is getting better each time I do it. I think share, subscribe, like, comment, right? Those 4 things, very important to me as I grow this channel. Not even a month old yet, and I've got 45 videos. And the content, I've got so much content to upload. I'm on my drive to 75, should be up to 75 videos within another 3 weeks. And then after that, I'm heading to Thailand. I'll be there for 1 month. Getting my dad moved in over there, so you'll be expecting some Thailand footage too. So if Thailand suits you, or Vietnam, subscribe. You're going to get a lot of content. Okay, thanks.